Namaste, doston. Welcome back to this channel, where we make life a little easier, one video at a time. Today, we're diving deep into the world of laundry. Let's face it, hum sab chahte hain sparkling clean kapde without the jhanjat. Finding the right detergent can be a game changer, so I'm sharing my top picks for the best detergents available in India. And we'll provide the links in the video description so that you can browse through them. From jiddi dag to delicate kapde, we'll explore the pros and cons of each detergent to help you make the perfect choice for your needs. So whether you're a seasoned laundry pro or just starting out, stick around and let's make laundry day a breeze. First up, we have the crowd favorite Surf Excel Matic Liquid Detergent. Yeh ek asli champion hai when it comes to tackling tough dag. Whether it's that pesky haldi ka dag from your favorite curry or a chocolate mishap, Surf Excel Matic is here to the rescue. Its powerful formula penetrates deep into fabric fibers, lifting away dag without compromising the quality of your kapde. And the best part? It comes in a variety of delightful fragrances that leave your kapde smelling fresh and fabulous. From the classic floral scents to the invigorating citrus bursts, there's a fragrance for every mood and preference. I personally love the Easy Wash variant, jo mere busy schedule ke liye perfect hai. It's specially formulated to work its magic even in quick washes, saving you time and effort. And let's be honest, kisi thoda extra time pasand nahi hai. So if you're looking for a reliable detergent that can handle the toughest dag while leaving your kapde smelling divine, Surf Excel Matic Liquid Detergent is definitely worth a try. Check the description box for the link. Now, let's talk about a classic that's been a staple in Indian households for years, Surf Excel Blue Detergent Powder. ये एक सच्चा उदाहरण है, पुरानी चीज सोना है कहावत का. Don't let its simple blue appearance fool you. This detergent packs a punch when it comes to cleaning power. What I love most about Surf Excel Blue is its affordability. It's a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. ये especially effective है hard water conditions में, जो इंडिया के कई हिस्सों में एक आम चुनौती है. The powder dissolves easily, preventing any residue from clinging to your kapde. And here's a little tip for heavily soiled kapde. Try pre-soaking them in a bucket with Surf Excel Blue for about 30 minutes before tossing them in the washing machine. This gives the detergent extra time to work its magic and loosen those stubborn dag. Overall, Surf Excel Blue Detergent Powder is a reliable and affordable choice for everyday laundry needs, खासकर अगर आप hard water use करते हैं. In the age of online shopping, Amazon has become a household name, and their own brand of products, Solimo, is gaining popularity for its value for money offerings. Video description में link को अवश्य check करें. Solimo liquid detergent इसका एक अच्छा उदाहरण है. It's a solid choice for those looking for a balance between affordability and effectiveness. One of the standout features of Solimo liquid detergent is its compatibility with various washing machines. Whether you have a top-load, front-load, or even a semi-automatic machine, Solimo works seamlessly to deliver clean and fresh laundry. ये कपड़ों पर भी gentle है, making it suitable for both everyday kapde and delicates. I appreciate that Solimo liquid detergent comes in concentrated form, meaning you need less detergent per wash. This not only saves you money, but also reduces packaging waste, making it a more environmentally conscious choice. So, if you're looking for a versatile and affordable liquid detergent that gets the job done without any fuss, Solimo liquid detergent is definitely worth considering. For those who prioritize eco-friendliness and have sensitive skin, 7th generation laundry detergent packs are a game changer. Ye plant-based detergent packs are free of harsh chemicals, dyes, and fragrances, making them a safe and gentle option for your family and the environment. The pre-measured packs eliminate the guesswork of measuring detergent, ensuring you use the right amount every time. Ye travel ke liye bhi incredibly convenient hai, as they're compact and mess-free. What sets 7th generation apart is their commitment to sustainability. Their products are biodegradable and packaged in recycled materials, minimizing their environmental impact. I especially love the free and clear variant, jo babies and individuals with sensitive skin ke liye perfect hai. It's hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested, ensuring a gentle and irritation-free laundry experience. If you're looking for a detergent that's gentle on your skin, kind to the planet, and delivers exceptional cleaning power, 7th generation. Laundry detergent packs are the perfect choice. Tide is a name synonymous with laundry excellence, and their Tide Plus detergent powder with Downy fabric conditioner takes things to the next level. Yet 2-in-1 powerhouse combines the stain-fighting prowess of Tide with the fabric-softening benefits of Downy, giving you the best of both worlds. The added Downy not only leaves your cupry incredibly soft and fluffy, but also infuses them with a long-lasting fragrance that lingers even after drying. It also helps reduce wrinkles, making ironing a breeze. I find that Tide Plus with Downy is particularly effective for washing towels and bed sheets, leaving them feeling luxuriously soft and smelling divine. It's like bringing the spa experience home. The detergent is available in various refreshing scents, from floral and fruity to invigorating and calming. You can choose the fragrance that best suits your mood and preferences. If you're looking for a detergent that delivers exceptional cleaning, fabric softening, and long-lasting fragrance, in one go, Tide Plus detergent powder with Downy fabric conditioner is the ultimate choice. Now that we've explored some of the top detergents available in India, let's talk about how to choose the right one for your specific needs. Remember, laundry isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. The best detergent for you depends on your individual preferences, washing habits, and the types of cupry you wash regularly. If you're battling tough dag frequently, opting for a detergent with strong stain removal properties like Surf Excel Matic Liquid is a wise choice. For those on a budget or dealing with hard water, Surf Excel Blue Detergent Powder offers reliable cleaning at an affordable price. If you're looking for a versatile detergent that's compatible with different washing machines and gentle on fabrics, Solimo Liquid Detergent is a great option. For environmentally conscious individuals and those with sensitive skin, 7th generation laundry detergent packs provide a safe and sustainable alternative. And if you're looking for the ultimate convenience of a 2-in-1 detergent with fabric softener, Tide Plus detergent powder with Downy fabric conditioner is the way to go. Ultimately, the best detergent for you is the one that meets your specific needs and leaves your cupry feeling clean, fresh, and ready to take on the day. Thank you so much for joining me on this laundry adventure. I hope this video has given you valuable insights into the world of detergents and empowered you to make the best choice for your needs. Wishing you all a great day and stay blessed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you found it helpful, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. And before you go, don't forget to check the video description for links to purchase these detergents online. Happy laundry days. Thank you.